Resolving the Instagram user not found issue.
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common issue Instagram users face, the Instagram user not found message. You may encounter this when you're trying to search for a specific user. Don't worry, though, because there are ways to solve this. This video will walk you through a step-by-step process on how to handle this issue. It's important to remember, however, that this might be due to various reasons, so we'll cover the most common ones.
Understanding the Instagram user not found message.
The first step in resolving this issue is understanding why you're seeing the Instagram user not found message. There are three primary reasons. 1. The account has been deactivated or deleted by the user. In this case, there's nothing much you can do except contact the user through other means if possible. 2. The account has been suspended or deleted by Instagram due to violations of community guidelines. Again, you can't do much in this scenario. 3. You've been blocked by the user. If you suspect this might be the case, try searching for the account from a different Instagram account or from an incognito browser. It's crucial to identify the reason behind the issue to choose the correct resolution.
Troubleshooting the Instagram user not found message.
In case the issue is not related to the above reasons, you can try the following steps. 2.1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. Sometimes, a poor or unstable internet connection can cause this issue. Try refreshing your connection or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that solves the problem. 2.2. Update your Instagram app. Outdated apps can lead to several issues. Ensure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version available for your device. You can check this in your device's app store. 2.3. Log out and log back in. Sometimes, simply logging out of your Instagram account and logging back in can resolve the issue. Remember to know your login credentials before doing this step. 2.4. Clear the Instagram app cache. Clearing the cache can often fix minor issues with apps. The process varies depending on whether you use Android or iOS. For Android, go to Settings to Apps to Instagram to Storage to clear cache. For iOS, unfortunately, there is no direct option to clear cache for a specific app. You can reinstall Instagram to clear its cache. Note: clearing cache does not delete your data, but reinstalling the app on iOS may require you to re-log in. That's it for this tutorial on how to handle the Instagram user not found issue. We hope this step-by-step guide will be helpful for you. Remember, not every solution works for every situation, so try different methods and see which one works for you. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.